Hello guys, in this video we will see the solution of cloud computing week 3 assignment 3 with a detailed explanation to each question. The last date for this assignment is 11 Feb. Let's start the video. The first question is, which of the following is least likely to be specified in an operational cloud service level agreement? The correct answer for this question is B. Exact encryption algorithm and key storage procedure. You can see the detailed explanation of this answer in this slide. The correct answer is B. Now move to the second question. Which level is typically included in a multi-level cloud service level agreement? So the answer of the second question is A. Corporate and provider-wide obligation, and the explanation to this answer is here. So the correct answer for second question is A. Now move to the third question. So the correct answer for third question is C. Service level SLA, as it the most specific agreement, and you can check the detailed explanation in this slide. So the correct option for this third question is C. Service level SLA, as its most specific agreement. Now move to the fourth question. Which combination of a metric is most commonly included in a production cloud SLA to measure availability and responsiveness? So the correct answer for fourth question is A. Uptime percentage and mean time to respond, MTTR. So correct answer is A. Now move to the fifth question. A cloud service is guaranteed to handle 10,000 requests per hour with 99.5% success. How many failed requests per hour are expected under SLA? So to calculate the answer of this question, we have a success rate of 99.5%. So failure rate is 0.5%. To calculate the failed request per hour, we will take the 0.5% of total request, which is 10,000. So the final outcome will come to a 50 request. So 50 failed request per hour. So correct answer for this question is C. 50 request. Now move to the sixth question. Which feature most clearly distinguishes parallel analytic database from a single node traditional RDBMS in a cloud analytics? The correct option for sixth question is B. Multi-node parallel query execution with data partitioning. And this is the explanation to this answer. So correct answer for sixth question is B. Multi-node parallel query execution. Seventh question. You are designing a real-time analytics pipeline for a streaming IoT sensor network. The system must handle 1 million events per second, maintain sub-second latency, support complex windowed aggregation. Which architecture choice is least suitable in this scenario? So the correct answer for this question is C. AWS S3 with batch processing using Apache Spark every 5 minutes. This is the least suitable choice in this scenario. So the correct answer is C. Now move to the eighth question. So you must design a scalable pipeline to process many large video files in a parallel. Storage plus compute. Which storage choice is most suitable? So correct answer for eighth question is B. Object storage with Hadoop Spark connector. So the correct answer for eighth question is B. Object storage with Hadoop and Spark connector. Now move to the ninth question. For ninth question, the correct answer is B. The combiner phase did not run. Ensure combiner is explicitly configured to compress intermediate data locally. And the explanation to this answer is here. You can check in this slide. The correct answer is B. Okay, so correct answer for ninth question is B. Now move to the last question. In an open stack development, if a compute node can support up to 900 virtual CPUs and the overcommitment ratio for a CPU is set to 4.5:1, what is the total number of vCPU that can be allocated? Now we will see the solution of this question. So we have physical vCPU capacity of 900 and CPU overcommit ratio is 4.5:1. To calculate total allocated vCPU, we will multiply the physical vCPU by overcommitment ratio. So the final output is 4050. The correct answer is C. 4050. Thanks for watching the video.